What if I say, pain isn't just suffering, it is a doorway, a moment where the divine whispers, where the universe speaks in a language only the soul can hear. There comes a moment in life when the pain feels unbearable, when the weight of broken promises crushes your spirit, and the silence around you screams louder than any words ever could. It is in those moments that a question lingers in the heart. Am I truly alone? But what if I told you that even in your darkest hour, someone is watching over you? That the universe has a way of whispering, you are protected even when you cannot see. And sometimes the truth is revealed in the most unexpected way. I still remember that evening when everything felt like it was falling apart. My heart carried the weight of broken promises. A bond that once felt unbreakable had been shattered, leaving behind nothing but silence and a lingering ache. Trust, once given so freely, had been questioned and betrayed. I was on my way back home. The road stretched ahead, the cold wind brushing against my face. But inside, I felt nothing but emptiness. And in that moment, when I couldn't hold anymore, a whisper escaped my lip, soft, broken, desperate. Let everything end here. Let my world, my life, end in this very moment. Just let this pain stop. Tears rolled down my cheek. The world around me stood still. But inside, everything was falling apart. It felt like the end, like there was no way out, like the weight in my heart was too heavy to carry any longer. I was exhausted, not just physically, but deep in my soul. And for the first time ever, I truly believed there was no light ahead. That night, I returned home carrying the same weight I had prayed to leave behind. The pain, the heaviness, it all stayed with me. But life doesn't always move the way we want. Sometimes the universe listens in ways we never expect. That night, as I lay down, my eyes grew heavy. I fell into sleep, unaware of what was waiting for me. And then I found myself on a road, sitting at the back of a bike, just like I had earlier that evening. The world around me moving, but I had no idea where I was going. Everything felt strange, yet so real. I still remember that dream in every detail. I remember observing everything around me as if I would never get this chance again. I saw a construction site where workers moved with purpose, lost in their own world. Further ahead, I saw a couple stood arguing, wrapped in their own storm. And after taking in these moments, after witnessing life simply moving forward, I look ahead. And what I saw made my breath stop. A truck rushing straight toward me, fast, unstoppable. My body froze. In that moment, I knew this is it. This is how it ends. My heart pounded like a drum of faith. Time slowed down, and in that moment, when fear should have consumed me, something else took over. I looked up at the vast, endless sky. With every ounce of my being, with a surrender so complete, I closed my eyes and whispered, Om Namah Shivaya. As if I was offering my last breath to the divine itself. And then something happened. From the sky, I heard it back. Not just a sound, not just an echo, a chorus, a force, a presence. Om Namah Shivaya. A symphony of chant rising from nowhere and everywhere, as if every sacred power, every unseen force was calling out to shield me. It was as if the universe, the very fabric of existence, was answering me, holding me, protecting me. And then the truck slowed down and it stopped just a breath away. And then I was back, heart pounding, breath unsteady. I found myself back in my room. The weight of that dream still clung to me, as if I had just lived through something far more than a dream, something real, something sacred. And that's when it hit me. Even when I had surrendered to the darkness, my divine refused to let go of me. Even when I had given up on life, The divine had not given up on me. It wasn't just a dream, it was a message, a sign. The despair that once felt like an ending was in truth a beginning. I was never alone, not then, not now. Even in my deepest sorrow, something unseen had been holding me, wrapping around my soul like a shield. And the forces of the universe, those silent, unseen hands, had never abandoned me. Guiding, shielding, carrying me through the storm, even when I no longer had the strength to walk. Remember, even when you feel like you have nothing left, even when you have given up on yourself, know this: the universe hasn't given up on you. You are held, you are protected, you are here for a reason.